Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a nice slide animation within few minutes, and please watch it. This kind of animation can be done very quickly and pretty easy, and this is presented by A Meets Z. I've just added a new slide and adding two shapes. First one is hollow. So I'm just selecting insert and go to shapes and select hollow shape. And then shift and drag will help you to keep the aspect ratio proper. And I'm making it a little smaller, and both shape outline and shape fill are same as black, and I'm giving a bevel to it, a round bevel. And then 3D rotation is this. Now let me give the bevel bottom a little more, so that let me go to the 3D format and the bottom height is bit high. And then let me give a shadow, and the shadow is maybe this, and I want to increase the shadow color. Currently it is a little transparent, so I'm just going to shadow options, and then decreasing the transparency so that I can see the shadow a little more accurately. Now let me add 3 more shapes, and I'm aligning them properly. 1, 2, and then 3. So one part of creating this animation is over. So I have created rings. Now I am adding another shape, that is circle, and then shift drag will help you to keep the aspect ratio. And then color is a pink, shape outline nil, shape effects, bevel is a round bevel, and then 3D rotation is like this, and then selecting the bevel bottom options, which is I'm just giving a height of 40 points so that it looks like this, and I'm just keeping little aligned so that it's looking like it is coming out of that ring. The second one, Control D, again keep it here, and before that I need to make sure that the height is a little more. So again bevel, 3D options, and then this will be 65 points. Now it'll little tall. Again keep it here, and again Control D, and then for this it will be like, say, maybe 80, and then make it sit there. With this I need to align a little, yes, and next Control D, and then for this the height will be 100. So each element is actually depicting any one particular topic or particular element, whatever you have in the business. Now I'm changing the colors. I'm just selecting it and making it green, and I'm selecting it, making this as maybe this blue, and the last one I'm selecting this and making it as this blue. So now these are ready, and I'm just putting it in the right place. Now the shape is appearing. If I go to the slide mode, now you can see they are actually sitting on the floor and the ring is actually surrounded. I think I need to set the ring a little more, which can be done. I'll just show you how to do it for one, so that while practicing you can manage it. Yeah, so now it's looking a little nice. Yes, the same way you can do for others as well. Now I'm showing you the animation. So that is all we have done. The next step is creating an animation. I would like to animate only these circles. So I'm just selecting the circles, and then I'm giving an animation Y so that they come like that. And I want to give the start after previous option so that they come one by one, that way. Now I need to add another shape, that is a triangle. and just keep one triangle and make the shape as we require. If you can see, this shape is like this, and for that I need to edit the shape. Select the bottom point and drag lightly. The same way this is also drag it. So now shape is created, and now I want to create 4 shapes. So 1, 2, 3. So all the 4 shapes are created, and just keeping them on the top of each and keeping aligned. Now I need to add another shape, that is a line. Insert a line and then connect it with the points. The benefit of it, whenever I am actually aligning this shape, that line also moves easily, so that I need not do any hard work. And let me send this line back, and then let me change the color of the shape to this, and no outline. Let me select all the outlines null, so that there's nothing, and I'm just shaping up the outline, giving the weight this much, and then outline dashes are these, maybe little more. The weight I want to give little more, maybe this, and then the color is pink, so they are proper. Same thing, just select Ctrl D. Now let me take it and connect it to this point and connect it to this point, and let me send it back first. Now when I move this shape properly aligned, that is also moving. So now I need to give the color to the shape. The shape is, color is green, and the line color also green. Same thing I'm doing effectively for this also. So I created all the shapes. Now the shapes part is done. Now I need to give the animation. For that I need to select all these lines first. I'm giving a animation, that is wipe again, and then go to the animation pane, and I'm aligning them properly. So for after each oval, the straight line happens. So that is what is the animation. Now the second animation is, I'm selecting these shapes and I'm giving animation as if they are flying in somewhere. So I want to fly them from top to bottom. So they are coming like this. Now they are also not coming in, I mean they're also coming one time. I don't want them to come in one time, so I'm just keeping them next to the straight line, so they come accordingly. The problem is everything is coming like this. I don't want they come in a different order, so everything should come after each animation. So now you can see that. So now if you see the animation, it's like this, it's coming, then it's coming. Yes, that way the animation is complete. Now we can add some numbers to them. So it is like, say 25%, sorry 35%, maybe 50%, whatever number you can write, and then maybe 10%, and maybe 35% or 45%, whatever. Now this animation is complete. It's coming one by one, and that way you can keep this kind of infographics very quickly using the shapes. Hope you liked this video, and as I told you, this is presented by M8Z. Please visit our website called m8z.com, and all these videos are there in this website. You can see different subject related videos in one place, that is m8z.com. Please keep watching. Thank you.